Okay, in this video I'm going to do problem 6, which says let A, B, and C be subsets of the universe. Prove or disprove using Venn diagrams. Part A is talking about whether or not A minus B and B minus C are disjoint. And on all of these I'm going to start with what I call a complete drum kit here, where I draw A, B, and C in their most general sort of configuration where all possible overlaps are included. And I'm going to now color in A minus B. I'll color that in like this. And that is this region. It's everything that's in A but not in B. Okay? And then I'll use a different color on B minus C. And we'll see if they're disjoint. I mean, we can look at it sort of visually first, but let's go ahead and do B minus C. And B minus C is everything in B, but not in C. And so it turns out that yes, these are disjoint. No overlap in the Venn diagram. And that implies that they are disjoint. And you remember that disjoint sets mean that we have the intersection is the empty set. So A minus B intersected with B minus C is equal to the empty set. They are disjoint. Okay? And I do need those parentheses. Okay, let's do part B. In part B, we're looking at A minus B and C minus B. Again, starting with A, B, and C like this. And I'll go ahead and label them. A minus B, I'll label as blue. Again, and it's the same area as before, everything that's in A but not in B. So I've subtracted B away from A. And now again in green I'll do the other set, which is in this case C minus B. And let me take this, and it's everything in C that's not in B. And now we're immediately seeing that there is an overlap. Okay, and so there is an overlap, and so and hence not disjoint. Okay, and we can say that A minus B intersected with C minus B is not equal to the empty set in general. Okay? Okay, well, let's move on to part C and D. Part C is A minus B union C, and the other set is B minus A union C. So it's A, B, C, B, A, C. Let's see if I can remember that here as we go down. So part C is A minus B union C and B minus A union C. B minus A union C. Let's look at that on our Venn diagram here. A, B, C. Now, A minus B union C I'll do as blue. And I'm going to do it in one step. I'm not going to fill in B union C first. B union C is, I'll do it in black here. Here's B union C. It's this is both sets B and C. And when I do A minus that, I end up with everything that's in A, but not in either B or C. Okay? And now in green, I'll do B minus A union C. And B minus A union C is B. Oh, first of all, here's A union C in green line like this. There's A union C. And so B minus that is everything in B, but not in those two sets. And so indeed, these two are disjoint. So no overlap implies disjoint. Okay? And we can write the A minus B union C intersected with B minus A union C is in fact equal to the empty set. Okay? Finally, part D. Got to go back up and look at it here. It's the same sequence of letters, but it's the intersection instead of the union. You see the pattern there? A, B, C, B, A, C. So that's easy to remember, hopefully. So I've got A minus B intersect C this time, and B minus A intersect C. And drawing the picture gives me this. Now I'm subtracting off the intersection of sets rather than the union. And B intersect C, I'll do in black here. B intersect C is this little football-shaped region here that I've just outlined. And A minus that, then I'll do in blue. A minus that, I'll draw like this. Okay, and then in green I'll do B minus A intersect C. A intersect C is this football-shaped region, this little green one like this. Hey, I just did, I'm just realizing I did A minus B intersect C wrong. It's supposed to be A, I did it totally wrong. I did the wrong football-shaped region for that. Let me not destroy this whole video and just go back. Well, I'll just make a new Venn diagram. Sorry about this. Okay, so this one's wrong. Okay, and let me do it correctly here. Sorry about that. Very easy to make mistakes in these things, and half of the battle in a class like this is keeping track of what you're doing and also looking continuously to see if you've made a mistake, and also learning how to check your work. A minus B intersect C. Here is B intersect C. It's this football-shaped region in black here. And A minus that I will do in black. And A minus that is everything that's in A but not in that little football-shaped region. So now I've got the correct picture for this one. There we go. It's A minus just that little sliver there. And now in green, A intersect C. A intersect C is over here in green, this little football-shaped region. And B minus that one is, I'll make it go vertically here. B minus that one is everything that's in B that's not in that little vertical sliver there. Okay? And now you can see that in fact there is an overlap. The overlap exists, and A minus B intersect C intersect B minus A intersect C is not equal to the empty set. Okay, well, after fixing this video is now complete. I spent so much time on these videos today that I'm not going to redo it. Hope this helps.